to my YouTube channel. Straight here. Yes, in this video we're going to be cooking and I'm so excited. Okay, so please remember to like, subscribe and comment. Okay, so yeah, let's get right into the video. Hi there, welcome to the kitchen where we're going to be making our akara. Join Nigerian. Our akara. Okay, that's beans cake. So yes, first and first, we're going to have to wash our hands. Obviously, hygiene is very important. Okay, so yes, you have to wash your hands with soap and water so you don't contaminate the food. If you want to even eat contaminated food, okay, but remember those people that you might be giving the food to as well. Akara is made from beans. Basically, it's grinded beans that is being fried. Yes. So yeah, check out how big these beans are. I've never seen something beans this big, but oh well. I love the beans. Not that I'm a fan of beans though. Yes, guys. So I'm going to be peeling out the back of the beans. So normally I'm supposed to soak it to get it soft, but I feel it's easier for me to peel first, maybe I get enough water then soak later. So that's what I'm doing here, getting water into the bowl so I can peel it out. This is me checking if the water is enough and also trying to get out some big dirt like that black thing over there. So I'm here peeling my beans. I'm using my hands. Some use blender, some use I think mortar. I'm not too sure, but yes, I'm using my hands. And like I said, I'm doing it now. I'm doing it now without soaking because I want it to be hard so that it won't break apart while I'm trying to scrub it. And later I would soak it. I transfer the beans to another bowl so it will be easy for me to sieve it. Yes, so I've sieved our beans. Yeah, see the shell there and see the white. See how white this beans is. Yeah, I tried though. Yeah, so this is me putting water to soak the beans. But yes, I can see some. I don't know if it's dirt or the back shell. But yes, I will sieve it out later and then soak it. Okay. Yeah, since I already soaked beans, I soaked for over an hour. See how swollen it is. Yes, so I'm going to be sieving out the water. That to get it ready for grinding. Okay, so yeah, sieve out all the water and then transfer the beans into the bowl where I'm going to grind it. Yes, this is the bowl in which I'll put the beans in for it to be taken out to be grinded. Because the blender cannot blend these beans. A blender cannot blend beans rather. So yes, I'm preparing it. I'm going to be adding little pepper because we have children taking it. So later I will add grounded pepper, that's alligator pepper. Just a bit in case you need more pepper. Her beans is back. Person that grinded the beans, grinded it with water. See our beans, ooh, very thick. So I'm going to add that water, and obviously, I'll need more water. This is what she did. So, guys, I'm so sorry about the turning and turning. It's because I was using my hand to film. At the same time, I'm using one hand to film, and at the same time, I'm using one hand to turn. Can you guys see like how inconvenient it was for me to turn? Yes, so I'm adding the water to the beans. Actually, I started small to check out if how much more water I would need. So I don't just pour everything. I'm like, oh my god, it's too much. Yes, I poured in everything and I added more water. I don't think I showed it here. So yes, I got someone to help me hold the phone while I turn the akara well. I'm turning it to get air into the akara. I don't know what they call that thing, guys. I'm not a pro, okay? Yes, I told you guys I was going to add more pepper. Okay, don't worry, it's not a lot. The beans are pretty a lot because I added more water. It wasn't pepper at all. Yeah, this is our mix. Okay, I'm adding salt now. So I add only salt. I don't add Maggi because Maggi changes the taste of the paste or it's still pretty. But yeah, my oil is on fire now. Yeah, so guys, what I do is that I just put a small amount first, okay? Me, I'm not a pro that will not say, don't worry, everything tastes good. Let me put, no, we'll go and do some testing skills first. Just one, then we'll check it and see what's more, what ingredients you need more. So I'm here waiting for the oil to be very hot. So I can do the try and error first. So yes, this is me trying. Can you see I told you just a small amount? Just one. Let me just use it and check if everything is alright. Okay, we've turned it to the other side. Obviously.
Jet planes in the night sky with you. I'm getting high in the sun.
This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it.
I'm getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And now
it was really difficult filming, holding the phone in one hand as filming. Okay, so this is the one. This is it. Don't mind the onions on the knife. I just finished cutting onions. So let's check out Akara. Oh, Akara. Oh my god, I love this. Can you guys see it? Can you see it? Okay, so I knew that there's to add more things. So and there's to add salt, more pepper, and a little bit of water. I don't mind the mess in my hand. Okay, I'm busy just want to turn. That's an excuse. Okay, so oh my god, see that mess over there. But yes, I added what I needed to add. In fact, I did another try and error. Okay, so yes, this is our first batch officially, and it's frying. Okay, so you don't want to overcrowd your this thing. No, it looks crowded. But can you see the size? There's space that can use to turn. So while the akara is frying, I came to watch a movie. I beg, it's part of the cooking process. Okay, we cannot kill ourselves. So we go, y'all. But don't forget akara. So I'm back to my akara. Here am I turning it. Like I said the other time, you have to be very careful. If you like go and watch film and forget your akara on fire, you eat point of reno. So yes, I'm back here. Turning it, turning it, turning it, turning it. So I successfully turned everything. And it's coming out nicely. I love the color, okay? And yes, so I'm here separating it and I'm pressing it so this akara that soaked oil can release it, okay? I know there's an iron in this thing. I don't still understand it, but I beg it works. Yes, so our akara is ready and I've successfully come to the end of this vlog. Thanks for cooking with me. I'm so sorry I could not film where I put the akara in a plate, but guys, see how yummy the akara is. See you in the next one. Bye.